Thank you so much for clicking into this video and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, by the way, my name is Ruth Kim and I just love creating YouTube videos. At the moment, I'm so lazy at editing. I have a bunch of videos, but editing is becoming a piece of work that my baby is not entertaining. At the beginning, my couch was a mess. I think I did a video where I bought a couch sofa, a couch cover, and to cover the mess. But then I thought about it. There are so many ways of cleaning the sofa. Even if I don't like the sofa so much and we are planning to move soon, which will actually be possible very soon, and I'm going to move with you guys, I decided to clean it up because it was making me so lazy. Because you know, there's nothing bad as cleaning something which is not working. You're trying to tidy up a room, but because the couch is so dirty, it was not coming through, and the carpet was also not so good, so I didn't like the area itself. But I decided to do that. So this is just the intro. Before I talk too much, let's dig in.
Let me start this video by introducing three main products that we are going to be using in this video. So this is the carpet cleaner, carpet reiniger. It's the carpet cleaner that I rented from Obi if you're in Germany. I had to pay 14 euros for 24 hours and I paid a deposit of 85 euros. You get the instructions on how to use it on the receipt, or you can check them online, but it's actually very easy to fix and to use. So when you rent the machine, you have to buy the detergent. And this one is the one we got for the sofa. It's tuber clean. It's well described behind here. The instructions are easy to follow, like 5.5 liters of water with 2 to 3 cups of the detergent. This one is tuber clean as well, but for the carpet, mainly used for the carpet, not for the sofa, with the same instructions like the one we bought for the sofa. We are going to start by clearing the living area and creating space so that we can be able to clean our sofa and our carpet. So guys, this is how this sofa looks like at the moment. This is a total mess. This is a total disaster, and it's actually not even supposed to be in someone's living room, not alone on YouTube. And this is our carpet. The carpet does not look so bad, but it also needs some cleaning, some thorough cleaning, and this is what we are going to do today. Kevin decided to pull the sofa so that we can clean the space behind the sofa. You guys know with a child, there's always something behind there or under the sofa. So it was a good thing and we had to clean it.
Hey, look, I talk my shit and keep it honest, keep it independent. I hear them hating, but that's only cause they inconsistent. He said the weapon wouldn't prosper, now they wouldn't form. I'm about to golf, I hit the middle and it's good and warm.
So here we had a part which was like kind of defect, and this is what Kevin was trying to fix.
But I doubt that, cause I've been buying Bitcoin on the bounce back. Might need a minute in the morning, I've been working late. You see me living in my purpose, I don't perpetrate. I'm certified, certain mattress off the yerba mate. She in a green velvet, bout to make it percolate. And I just hope they play me never, and they play this forever. Put my family on so we can make it together. Gave my life to God and now he making it better. But just in case they plotting on it, got a brand new Beretta. I'm tryna shake something, move something that's an earthquake. Coming in every 30 minutes like a work break. Shake something, move something that's an earthquake. Coming in every 30 minutes like a work break. I'm tryna shake something, move something that's an earthquake. Coming in every 30 minutes like a work break. I'm tryna shake some earthquake. Coming in every 30 minutes like a.
So now we are going to start by cleaning the sofa. Yes.
all my brothers riding, there won't be no division. I'm making money, making magic, baby, come congratulate me. Acting aggy, starting to agitate me like he glad to play me. Even moments when I ain't mashing, I be acting gravy. I be stunning, stepping in my pennies like the magic play me. And I hope they play me never, and they play this forever. Put my family on so we can make it together.
So here Kevin was just spraying the tough stains, like this brown one you can see here. This is like cocoa, look like shit, but it's not. And you can buy an extra detergent for that, but we didn't want to spend a lot. You know, the sofa is old and we are planning to buy a new one very soon. So this one was working for us very well. Yes.
Call for your come, I be checking through the peephole. Everything closed this late, but your contacts. Here to catch a vibe, you might catch a little contact. Only thing showing this late be the freak show. Call for your come, I be checking through the peephole. In the rental, got it hogging both lanes. Quarantine clean, but the streets still dirty. Round to the 9 if it's past 8:30. I been on my grind like I'm tryna get sharp. It ain't come with keys, all I did is hit start. I ain't even planned it, but a nigga hit still. Car full of baddies, got me playing fifth wheel. Juke jammer, baby, got the party going up. I do what I wanna, I don't plan on growing up. See you slamming Henny and don't plan on slowing up. Call your boss and tell him you don't plan on showing up. Lungs full of gas with a handful of goals. Boys in a band, get a band for the shows. Stack it up tall till I stand on my toes. Come and get your man, he'll stand for the hoes. I been on M's, got him hopping on D. Tell the bartender, get it popping on me. Know they see the vibe and I came up quick. See around the city on the same old shit. I been really working and it's steady, got me buzzing. I been getting money, now I'm everybody cousin. Waffle House run and it's back to the bed. Hit it from the
So after cleaning, you have to empty this machine. Yeah, you have to empty the waste. So this is what we are doing now. And by the way, guys, it's so nasty that we were shocked to see what was in our couch. See. So this is the couch. It's for now, it's not dried yet, but you can see the cocoa stain is still visible somehow because we had to deal on that spot so much. But it looks good so far. We like it, and we hope after drying up, it's going to look more better than this. Yes. Moving on to the carpets, guys, we have two of them. This one was in the store, so we are going to start with this one. It doesn't look so dirty or dirty even at all, but it's actually very, very dirty. And I'm going to start by vacuuming it, and then we're going to go into, or Kevin is going to clean it up with the carpet cleaner.
You don't mean nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys on the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware. Why you calling me honey? Why you show off your money? Wave it like it's a tissue. Baby, this is your issue.
So moving on to the next carpet, this one is brighter and has more stains. So he's just tapping the stains with the detergent to see if we can clean it, or we can get the stains out and have it looking spotless. Yes.
Nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is
So this is the cleanest we could get it. It looks way better than it was before, so we are happy with it. So as you can see, guys, this is our sofa at the moment. It's actually very, very clean compared to the way it was before. And I got this sofa in 2014, and ever since then I've never cleaned it. I know I've never cleaned it, but I just love it. Nowadays, now I won't be covering the mess, the dirt, the disaster, but I'll be covering to prevent it from getting dirty, you know. And I think it's better if you have such a sofa to clean it once in a while. And yeah, and the carpet, guys, this is how the carpet looks like. It's clean as well, so I'm just loving everything. And now I'm going to put everything together and to cover the sofa with my stuff, and then I'm going to come back to you.
You don't mean nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys on the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware. Why you calling me honey? Why you show off your money? Wave it like it's a tissue. Baby, this is your issue. I'm not falling for bullshit. If you like me, then say it. You don't get that I see through this facade that surrounds you. Growing up takes time, so don't you waste mine. You and me ain't right. I'm wearing gold. You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold.
So guys, as you can see, it was something I can fix so fast. And because of the covers that I'm using, it's something that I can clean up as well, maybe every 3 days. Because if you don't know, guys, if you're new, I have a 3-year-old, and I don't try to control her anyway. She's just a child, and I let her be a child. So let me, guys, show you how it looks like now. and I think it's a bit better than it was before. So guys, this is my small space now. As you can see, it looks much better than it was before, and these covers are in gray just like the couch, and I can always wash them, and I have them also in different colors, but today I am going to go with gray because I decided to go with the gray carpet as well. And this is Eliana's drinking and sitting corner. Yes, and this is where we put her like toys, because yeah, I got this one from Amazon, and it's actually very practice. Yes, that's it, guys. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've been watching up to this far, I appreciate you guys. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It makes me so happy, and you know, it motivates me to make more videos for you guys. Anyway, I love you so much. I love you so much. And if you want to buy something from Amazon, check out my Amazon link in the description below. Yes, love you so much, guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Ciao.